Wish you could suddenly turn these tomatoes into this dish of sliced cherry tomatoes? Hi, this is Connie, with some more simple recipes, and some kitchen tips and hacks that you can find useful.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, A Quick Recipe.
Today we're going to go over an easy and quick way to cut cherry and grape tomatoes in half, when you don't have a lot of time. Also, we're going to show how to chiffonade leafy greens, like fresh basil.
So sit back and take in these 2 kitchen tips and hacks.
Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.